Apple has done it again, but this time not everyone is happy. The new iPhone 17 has just been revealed and fans are calling its design terrible. Today we are going to talk about why people are upset and what's causing this huge reaction. The iPhone 17 was shown last week and Apple promised some big new features. But the first thing everyone noticed is design. Fans on Twitter, Instagram started sharing memes, screenshots, and videos how much they dislike it. Some said it looks ugly, others said it feels unfinished. The internet has a lot of to say. So what's the different in the iPhone 17? The camera sticks out more than before and the back has shiny metallic look that some people think it's too much. The edges are sharper and the new color, let's just say not everyone likes them. Compared to older iPhones, which were smooth and simple, this one feels very different. Fans think Apple tried too hard to make it look futuristic. The reaction online have been harsh. One person tweeted, "Did Apple let a robot design this?" Another posted a side by side of the iPhone 17 and a toaster. Some fans even said they might skip this iPhone. Some fans said they might skip this iPhone and wait for the next model. It's rare to see so much criticism for Apple's design. Even experts have shared their thoughts. Some said Apple is trying bold, sharp designs, but it may look not good to everyone. Other think the changes were made to fit new hardware design, which could explain the bigger camera bump and sharper edges. Apple has faced criticism before, like when they made the notch in iPhone X or removed the headphones jack, but the company usually listens and fixes things over time. The iPhone 17 backlash may feel huge now, but Apple has a history of bouncing back. Whether this affects sales or not, one thing is clear, people are talking. So, what do you think? Is iPhone 17 a cool new design or a big mistake? Comment below and tell us thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe.